My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. This video is for Blaine and Afgo. So I made this short video just to show you guys 3 things you could do today to help bring in more customers for your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you saw, give me a message and we can chat. If not, that's okay with me. Basically in the video I'm going to be talking about 3 things, which are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. 3 things. So let's get right to it. The first thing in the video I want to talk about is content, and I'll be talking about specifically your home page right here. I see you got a fully built out website, looks really clean, a lot of good stuff on here. And as far as content, that'll be anything that's on the home page: buttons, words, pictures, videos, all that stuff. So to be looked up by Google and to help them rank you, you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this first home page. And those words will be like keyword rich, very targeted, all that good stuff. So that'll be my recommendation for this first home page right here. Have 1,500 or more words in your main page right here. Also, the pictures really matter too. The way they count is basically how the picture is saved and what's behind the picture. So let me just search right here. This picture right here, for example. See what pops up. So you see it says icon service 1. You want to put actual keywords even behind the picture, so that'll help rank your website as well. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. I'll just take you right here. I just did a quick search for New York City in your industry just to show you how the format works, and also look at it from a customer's point of view, because that's how any customer will see this. So this top part is called the Google Guarantee. This is a paid service by Google, and not everybody can get on here. The way you do it is you got to get verified through Google. It's a process, and once you pass that, you can actually put an ad here. It's really good because it provides really strong leads. Secondly, we move on to this traditional Google ad section, and this is a hit or miss in 2020, honestly. A lot of people got ad blockers, and they're not going to see this at all. And some people just have had a bad previous experience with clicking on ads, but they still work. That's why people still use them. They just got to be placed properly and make sure the words are correct, or else it's just going to eat up your money for no reason. Thirdly, we move on to the map pack. This is also where I'll talk about my second thing: citations. Citation will be anywhere or any website where you can put your business information, such as the name, phone number, address. And this map pack is like my top recommendation for businesses to get on here. We know how to do it, and this is one of the top places where customers even search, because they see everything that's pertinent, what they're looking for. After this, we go down to the organic section, and in this section sometimes you'll see like Yelp, white pages, and other stuff. These are called national directories. And after that, you'll see the actual sites which have been ranked organically to come to the first page of Google, thus really legitimizing their place in this New York City. So whatever customers search for, they see the first page. It looks really good. And third thing I want to talk about is going to be backlinks. A backlink is basically any website out there which is giving a link to you guys, your website. And that really helps in many ways, some of which are it'll bring you that traffic to your website, and it'll give you keywords. So I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a really cool tool. They actually buy their data directly from Google, and this service charges per month to use it, but it gives me really good information on what I can see the performance of any website. So I typed in your website name, afgo.com. It's a really cool name, actually. It's AFGO, really nice name. So as you can see, you only have 121 referring domains, which means the websites which are referring to your website, which gives you about 2,000 backlinks, which is giving you 1,100 keywords and getting you 379 organic traffic per month. Now, to put this into context for you, I've already set up another top competitor in New York and show you how their results look like. So this is them, and as you can see, it's a pretty big, significant difference. They're pulling around 826 referring domains, giving them 4,200 backlinks, which give them about 7,800 keywords, which is giving them at least 18,000 organic traffic per month. So this is where you want to be at. Let me show you yours again. And all these numbers are very doable to boost them up and really give them that extra push to ultimately get you a lot more customers to your website. We'll go back there. Like you see, whoever made this for you did a great job, but there's definitely some simple things like I showed you, the pictures and the words and a lot of other things you can do to actually get this website pushed up through the ranks and out, basically beat out your competition. So we do all that stuff at NYC Marketers. And like I said, I'll keep the video short. That's all I had for you today. If you like what you saw, once again, give me a call. My information is in my email signature. If not, that's fine. I hope you enjoyed the free tips I've given you today. If you could just give me some feedback on how you thought about the video and how I did, that'll be great. And with that, I'll let you go. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.